Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody.
Hello everyone, welcome to another Lou's Redos. We're going to do a little different corned beef and cabbage today. What I did was, number one, I blanched off a head of cabbage. Actually, I didn't blanch it, I steamed the whole head. I cored it, put it in the steamer, and just let it go. The leftover corned beef, I mixed with potato, carrots, a little bit of the celery that I cooked the corned beef in. So that's all here. So what you do is you lay out, it's like making stuffed cabbage, only I'm using the corned beef. You lay out your corned beef and you just roll.
Like a spring roll, kinda.
There you go, kinda sorta.
It's an Irish spring roll.
Yes.
And for the soda bread, we make that into French toast.
Absolutely, makes great French toast actually.
It's gonna be a redo. Stay tuned for that. It'll be up within probably a week or two.
Okay, and roll. And that's all it really is. You're rolling the cabbage around. I'm using 2 leaves. Some people only use 1. I did core out or cut out the stem part of the corned beef because it is a little firmer. And I didn't want that.
So what you're saying is, even on St. Patrick's Day, there's no rules.
There's no, that's correct. Okay, we're going to do one more. Nice and simple, guys. Some corned beef, potato, and that's it. It's rolled, it's stuffed, but I'm also going to do something else. Now, I reserved the liquid, and I'm going to put a little of that liquid in here. It's just the juice or the water left over from the corned beef. So I'm going to throw it in the oven. I have the oven set for 400. I'm going to warm that up. You can cover it with a little aluminum foil, let it heat up differently.
It'll get crispy.
What I also did, I made some potato skins. And we are going to stuff the potato skins with the corned beef.
Oh yeah. This is what I'm looking forward to.
Look at that. Because somebody I know doesn't eat cabbage.
Who?
I can't imagine.
It's me.
So, thinking rather quickly, in order to do this, and Carl could eat.
Yep. Otherwise, I would have been stuck with soda bread.
That's it.
Just soda bread.
Just so. We're stuffing. You know what? Honestly, I didn't even measure.
Mm-hmm. And you've used the perfect amount.
Exact.
It's the voices of the Italian ancestors going, "That's enough, my child."
Yes, absolutely. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do here is we're going to put this in the oven and get warm.
As you do when you put stuff in the oven.
It's normal.
Yeah. Imagine you put stuff in the oven and it cooled down.
Imagine that.
Weird. It's like a freezer.
What a freaking concept. Anyway, on the stuffed cabbage. I decided to make a sauce for the stuffed cabbage. So what I did was, I made a basic bechamel, which, as everyone knows, it's a roux with milk. Now, because Jess is here, it's Carl's fiance, Jess can't have any gluten. So I did not use flour, I used cornstarch to make the roux. And then I decided I was going to make a cheese sauce. So I bought some Irish cheese.
I wonder why.
I put that in, and then I decided to enhance it with a little more cheddar. So I have about 1.5 pounds of cheese in here.
I don't think that's enough.
But what I'm going to add also is about 3 tablespoons of horseradish.
I'm fine with that. Now, for those of you that don't know, just a little quick aside, gluten is basically anything that has wheat, barley, or rye in it.
Correct. And unfortunately, Jess reacts to that, and
She
it
has
makes her ill.
She has celiacs.
Right. So,
Nope.
that's going to go there. Next, I'm going to show you what we do.
This is how we do.
This is what we do.
For those of you watching, yes, I'm just as confused as the green beer as you are.
Green beer is an Irish tradition.
Clearly.
Okay.
Look at that.
I'm just going to do one right now.
It does look like a spring roll. That's actually like an Irish spring roll. It's a little hot. Be
A
careful.
little on the hot side.
It did just come out of the oven, which we found out heats stuff up.
Heat stuff. Yes. So I'm just going to open that up a little bit. And then I'm going to put a little bit, maybe a lot,
Yeah.
of the cheese sauce. Now, that being said and done, what I did with these,
Yeah, it's hot.
the potato skin, the corned beef, on this side I did some sauerkraut. I basically made a Reuben with the potato skin, and on the Reuben I am going to put some Thousand Island dressing, and of course you have to put a little Italian parsley.
Yeah.
So here we go, folks. Stuffed cabbage with a horseradish cheese sauce, and the cabbage is stuffed with corned beef, and we have a grilled Reuben potato skin. Enjoy your leftover corned beef. Anything I could do, any suggestions you have, any comments, please feel free to email me. leftoversbylou@gmail.com. Like, share, subscribe so I can keep it going.
Like us on Facebook.
Like us on Facebook.
You can actually find a link to the Facebook
Also-
and your Instagram
and
on the YouTube
Instagram.
page.
We have several things going on with different food channels. Stay tuned and enjoy. Until next time, be safe and good cooking.
Happy St. Patrick's Day,
Happy
everybody.
St. Patrick's Day.
If you're drinking tonight, don't
Be careful.
drive.
Yep.
Call an Uber.